Hello students, you might be knowing that book has been changed. So this is your new book, English Grammar and Composition. So there are some changes in your new textbook this year. But the chapters which we had studied are available in your new book. Only the exercises are different. So children, today we will be doing the exercises of both the chapters. First, we will do the exercises of chapter 2, the sentence. In the first exercise, you have to rewrite the sentences correctly using full stops or question marks. Children, if a sentence is a statement, we will put full stop, and if a sentence is an interrogative or question, we will put question mark. You also have to remember that in a sentence with more than two similar words, we use commas. First exercise. Rewrite the sentences correctly using full stops or question marks. The boy jumped over the bench. This is a statement or simple sentence. So, we will put full stop. The boy jumped over the bench. We will put full stop. Second, is an elephant a large animal? It is an interrogative sentence or question. So, we will put question mark. Is an elephant a large animal? We will put question mark. Third, bread and butter is a wholesome food. This is a statement. So we will put full stop. Bread and butter is a wholesome food. We will put full stop. Has your father bought a new bag? This is an interrogative sentence. So we will put question mark. Has your father bought a new bag? We will put question mark. Fifth, today is a holiday. This is a statement, simple statement. So we will put full stop. Today is a holiday. Full stop. Sixth, a cow gives milk. It is also a statement. So we will put full stop. A cow gives milk. We will put full stop. In the next exercise, you have to paste the picture of your mother and write 5 sentences about her in your note copy or in your rough copy. This is your homework. Children, in the next exercise, you have to rearrange the words to form meaningful sentence. बच्चों, आप लोगों को वर्ड्स को मीनिंगफुल ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है। सेंटेंस में सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट आता है, उसके बाद वर्ब और अंत में ऑब्जेक्ट आता है। तो सबसे पहले फर्स्ट देखेंगे, लिटिल गर्ल इज अ तान्या। नाउ वी विल अरेंज these words in a meaningful sentence. Tanya is a little girl. First we have arranged subject, then verb, then object. Second, made I paper boats. First we will write subject. Subject I. I made paper boats. Third, becomes cold, it winters in. It becomes cold in winters. It becomes cold in winters. Full stop. Fourth, color my favorite red is. My favorite color is red. First we will write subject, then verb, then object. My favorite color is red. Next, Rahul merry-go-round sits on the. Rahul sits on the merry-go-round. Rahul sits on the merry-go-round. Full stop. Road this to leads Agra. This road leads to Agra. This road leads to Agra. A will be capital. Agra. Now, the exercises of chapter 2 are over. Now we will do the exercises of chapter 3, kinds of sentences. We have already learned about the kinds of sentences. Now you have to read the following sentences and name the kinds of sentences. First, there is no water in the glass. This is a statement. So we will write statement. Statement. Is this your book? This is an interrogative sentence. So we will write question. Third, January is the first month of the year. This is a statement. So we will write statement. Fourth, may I go to drink water? This is an interrogative sentence. So we will write question. Fifth, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. This is a statement. Sixth, where do you live? This is an interrogative sentence, so we will write question. In the following exercise, you can see 4 boxes. You can color the boxes and write any one statement in the statement box and any one question in the question box. आपको एक एक सेंटेंस प्रत्येक बॉक्स में लिखना है. जिस बॉक्स में स्टेटमेंट है उस बॉक्स में स्टेटमेंट लिखना है और जिस बॉक्स में क्वेश्चन है उस बॉक्स में क्वेश्चन वाला सेंटेंस लिखना है. You have to do this by yourself. Children, what are punctuation marks? Like full stops, question marks and commas are called punctuation marks. Now, you have to put the appropriate punctuation marks in the following sentences. First, he is very naughty. This is a statement, so we will put full stop. He is very naughty. We will put full stop. Was Rita here? This is an interrogative sentence, so we will put question mark. Was Rita here? We will put question mark. Third, she is a girl. This is a statement, so we will put full stop. She is a girl. We will put full stop. Fourth, are you going home? This is an interrogative sentence, so we will put question mark. Are you going home? Question mark. Fifth, what is your father's name? This is an interrogative sentence, so we will put question mark. What is your father's name? We will put question mark. Now, you have to write 5 sentences on the festival of Diwali using correct punctuation marks. Make use of both statements and questions. Children, I have written 5 sentences including statements and questions using the correct punctuation marks about the festival of Diwali. First, Diwali is called the festival of lights. Second, how do people celebrate Diwali? Third, people decorate their houses with candles and lamps. Fourth, what do children play with on Diwali? Fifth, children play with crackers and sparklers. Children, all the exercises of both the chapters are over. Now you have to learn them. Thank you.